Hello, we are on Unit 2, Week 1, Day 4. First, we are going to do our drill sounds warm-up. We're using our large sound cards, and then we will be using our standard sound cards. All right, let's practice. I'm going to say the letter, the keyword, and sound, and you will echo. Let's begin. U, up, Now you echo. O, octopus, Now you echo. I, itch, it, now you echo. A, apple, now you echo. E, ed, now you echo. K, kite, now you echo. Z, zebra, now you echo. Great job. Now let's go to our standard sound cards. I will say the letter, the keyword and sound, and then you will echo. Let's begin. A, apple, now you echo. I, itch, now you echo. O, octopus, now you echo. U, up, now you echo. E, ed, now you echo. K, kite, now you echo. Z, zebra, now you echo. Good job. Remember, we've learned all of the sounds, all the 26 sounds of the 26 letters. Just continue practicing. Good luck.